I went through a K-8 like Catholic school growing up, and so I went to a public high school and I lost my faith there. Going into adulthood, should probably get back to that. That's why I wanted to go to a Christ-centered college in the first place, was to help grow my faith. What has changed from then till now is just like me and my confidence within myself. And yeah, my faith has grown exponentially here. I've been running Birdhouse for the past 2 years. Birdhouse is the student section. They help promote home games on campus. I really hope the friendships that I made here, I do want to maintain those and keep those forever, because God has placed them in my life to help me get closer to Him. Being surrounded by people that view Jesus the same way as me, and then also how they live their lives has influenced how I live mine. The community here itself and how Christ-centered everyone truly is helping us grow closer to God. Getting a bachelor's, it's one step closer to my goal. It means I'm almost done with the first step.